Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Stay tuned, we're going to be talking about this unit. This unit has matching paint with the truck, and we're going to be talking to the folks that bought this beautiful unit. So stay tuned. And hey, if you want to be on camera, if you want your unit to be on camera, come and check us out and order a unit from us, a luxury fifth wheel. This is actually a Luxe luxury toy hauler that these folks spec'd out and made it their own. So you can do that too. Give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.